All right. So we'll start. So Saturday we do tables. So let's start with tables first, and then we will go to what we want to learn today. So who wants to go first? You. Okay. Okay. So everybody. Okay. I'll keep on calling out names one by one, and then make sure that everybody is able to. So you remember table till? Till 5, 5 8 ja.
40.
3 9 ja.
27.
4 6 ja.
24.
5 9 ja.
40. 45.
So see, when you are taking time to recall, 5 8 ja. 45. The 45 or 40 doesn't help because you have already taken time. Our objective is not to say it fast. Our objective is to pick it fast. Okay, so don't rush. Your focus should be on picking it up fast. Okay, now 2 8 ja.
16.
5 7 ja. 5 7 ja.
35.
Okay. More practice is needed. More practice is needed. Okay. Now let's go to Nihan. Okay, Shanvi, I'll come to you, beta. I'll come to everybody. So table till
13.
okay. 12 age. I want you to sit properly. Okay. You have not come here for a picnic. You are not going to lie down. You are not going to keep swinging your leg, and don't do anything which gets me distracted. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah. Sorry. Coming back to you. 5 8 ja.
5 8.
Yep.
40.
9 7 ja.
63.
7 9 ja.
63.
13 4 ja.
What?
13 4 ja.
52.
12 9 ja.
108.
11 8 ja.
88.
9 9 ja.
99. Wait, 99. 81.
Good job. All right. So keep practicing. 5 minutes daily. No discount to anybody, including myself. Okay. Okay. Let's go to Vaishu.
Yeah.
Table till
12.
12. 9 7 ja.
62.
7 5 ja.
35.
11 8 ja.
88.
7 9 ja.
7 9.
Yep.
63.
Very good. 12 5 ja. Tasvik will sit here. Sorry. Yeah, 12 5 ja.
60.
Tasvik, you'll sit little away from Yug. Okay. 12 8 ja.
92.
96.
96. Sorry.
Yeah. But yeah, good job. Again, I'll keep on repeating myself. Everybody has to spend 5 minutes of their non-productive time memorizing tables. Memorize tables, catch hold of somebody in the family, ask them to ask questions. Okay? Alright. Let's go to Stanley. Table till
12.
12. 8 8 ja.
64.
9 5 ja.
45.
12 4 ja.
48.
12 6 ja.
72.
And I would, okay, good job. I want everybody to keep their videos on, okay? Nobody is going to hide behind the screen. Everybody. Okay. And that's my best way to recognize you guys, okay? When I saw somebody with name Sri Lakshmi, I was wondering who is it. When I see the face, I know it's Sami. Yep. All right. So, yeah, Mandeep, ready? Table till 5 9 ja.
45,
12 8 ja.
96,
9 8 ja.
54,
9 8 ja.
72,
Very nice. 12 5 ja. No drawing, sketching and going in parallel. Okay? I'm not talking to you.
60,
Okay. 9 9 ja.
81,
Okay. Let's go. Good job. Let's go to Ishan. Ishan, your video on, please.
Yeah, my video isn't working.
Your video was working fine till I saw you lying down on the bed. Turn it on.
Wait, I'm gonna leave this one.
Okay. Make sure that these three problems are fixed. Okay. Let's go to Sami. Okay. Yep. See, video works. Okay. I'll come to you, Sanvi. Let me finish off with Ishan. Ishan, table till
11,
9 9 ja.
81,
12. Sorry. 10 5 ja.
50,
7 9 ja.
63.
6 4 ja.
Wait, what?
6 4 ja.
44,
9 9 ja.
81,
6 9 ja.
54.
Good job. Then let's go to Sanvi. Yep, Sanvi, unmute yourself.
I did.
Okay, now I can hear you. Okay, table till
12,
12. Okay, 9 9 ja.
81,
8 9 ja.
72,
12 6 ja.
96.
12 6 ja. Mandeep, you have to be on mute when you're not talking. And keep your videos on, guys. Nobody is going to hide behind the screen, please.
I'm eating.
Okay. Whoever is not eating, please keep your videos on. Okay. Yep. Yes. Sorry, Sadvi. So, till 12. So 12 age.
96,
8 9
72.
7 7
What?
7 7
49,
12 9
108,
Very nice. Good job. So let's go to. Okay, I see a new kid. So, what's your name?
Sirion.
Say that again.
Sirion.
Shreyan. Okay. Good to have you here, Shreyan. So today, every Saturday, what we do is we first check tables, okay, and after that we learn some new concepts. Sunday, anyways, we learn the concepts and we practice, okay. So the protocol of the class is when you are not talking, you have to be on mute so that there is no background noise. So Shreyan, what is have you remembered or memorized tables before?
Yeah.
Table till which number you think you are comfortable?
10.
10. Oh, let's do a quick check. 5 9 ja.
45.
Very nice. 9 9 ja.
81.
6 8 ja. 48. Yeah. 9 7 ja. 63. So it's okay. I mean, this is your first class, right? So what I suggest everybody is spend 5 minutes every day to practice tables, because if you have practiced your tables, if you are strong with tables, you can play with math. Otherwise, math will play with you. Okay. All right. So every day spend 5 minutes, and you will see what changes for you in the next class. Okay. You might want to go on mute. Let me go to other kids.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Aditi. Table till
12.
8 9 ja.
72.
12 6 ja.
72.
8 8 ja.
64.
12 5 ja.
60.
11 9 ja.
99.
Good job. Let's go to Tasvik. Table till
12,
12 9 ja.
108,
11 8 ja.
88,
7 9 ja.
63,
12 8 ja.
72,
12 8 ja.
96,
11 8 ja.
88,
7 9 ja.
63,
9 9 ja.
81.
Good job. Nihit, are you ready?
Yeah.
Table till
5,
5 9 ja.
45,
3 8 ja.
24,
4 6 ja.
24,
3 9 ja.
20,
5 8 ja.
40,
Good job. I'm happy, I'm impressed. Okay? Today you did very good and you did very quickly also. Okay? Keep practicing that, okay? Now there is no looking back. Now you have to go further. You don't have to go back. Meaning whatever you've remembered, that you have to keep on practicing, and let's stay till 5 for one more class, okay? For you both, okay? Till 5 for one more class, meaning till next Saturday. From the following Saturday, next Saturday we don't have a class. It's Thanksgiving break. But the first class in December,
Wait, what?
next week, I'm out of
It's
town.
Thanksgiving. Why not this yes, Thanksgiving break?
Okay, let's not go into a discussion. There's no why not. It's as simple as this week we have class, next week we don't have class. As simple as that. Alright, so good job, Nihit. Let's continue from there. Let's go to Sami.
Okay, sir.
And Mandeep, you have already told the tables, right? Or you have not?
I just have a question.
You have to wait for your question till we finish the table thing, okay?
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, Sami. Table till
14.
14? Very nice. 14 2 ja.
28.
14 7 ja.
Oh, 98.
13 5 ja.
65.
12 9 ja.
108.
8 8 ja.
64.
12 7 ja.
84.
12 9 ja.
108.
Wonderful. Good job. And I would want you, Sami, to stop here at 14, okay? I don't want you to go to 15, 16. Yesterday I was talking to my own daughter who is in 12th grade, who has gotten selected for A&M and UT Dallas. I asked her how much of table you remember. She said 10. Okay? So you guys are well ahead of even a 12th grader, okay? Don't go further. We have enough time. We don't want to learn everything quickly and retire. Okay? Yeah.
My pen ran out of ink.
So, you stay till 14, okay? Don't go beyond that for now. At least for this calendar year, okay? We'll see what we want to do next year. But yeah, still remember that 5 minutes of practice. Play with it. Torture the tables as much as you can. Don't go beyond. Alright, let's go to Gautam.
Tables till 12.
12 8 ja.
96.
11 7 ja.
Did you say 11, 7?
Mm-hmm.
77.
6 9 ja.
54.
8 8 ja.
64.
12 9 ja.
108.
9 9 ja.
81.
Good job. Now let's see who is still remaining. So Aradhya. Aradhya, table till
7.
7. Okay. 6 9 ja.
6.
Take your time, it's okay. It's fine. This is our class, nobody else.
54.
Very nice. 5 4 ja.
20.
6 6 ja.
36.
7 3 ja.
21.
7 9 ja.
99.
7 9 ja.
7 9. 63.
Very nice. So I can see Aradhya that you are practicing tables, okay? No denying that. Now let's not try to go beyond 7. Let's stay till 7 for you and keep beating it over and over and over again. So every day 5 minutes. Let's keep doing that, and then once we are bored, once we see that now we want to go beyond this, we'll go beyond this. That's fine. Next 2 weeks, okay? Every day 5 minutes of your non-productive time. Use it for memorizing tables, and then we will see where we go next. Okay? Alright. What was your question, Mandeep?
My question was like, it's not like actually a question. Like, if you don't know 7 times 4, you can go, 4 times 7, if you don't know, you can go to 7 times 4, which is 28.
Yep, that is correct. So all that is the play side of it, okay? We'll come to playing with those things, okay? Right now we are trying to stick to the basics, make sure that we learn all these concepts, and then we'll start playing with it, okay? Now let's quickly check who has not spoken yet. So Santosh Kumar, that is Vaishu. Okay, sorry, my bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so Shreya. Who is Shreya? Shreyanvi? Okay. That is not my problem. That is not certainly my problem. Your legs will be going different direction. You keep falling. Your pencil keeps falling. Your notebook keeps falling. You yourself keep falling. That is out of syllabus for maths. Okay. So Nihan has already spoken. Okay. Sri Lakshmi. There is a new child. Sri Lakshmi is nothing but Sammy. So Sammy, next time just change your display name. Otherwise, I'll keep you calling a new child. Okay. So basically, my only request to you guys would be, try to keep the display name is your name, because when you click on the link, it gives you an option to put your name. Okay. So if you put your name, that makes my job easier. Otherwise, apart from maths, I will be putting a lot of effort to memorize your names. Yeah, Vaishu.
For me, it doesn't show anything to like put name.
Okay, that's fine. I mean, see, then you have to rely on my memory and bear with me if I say something wrong. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, 3 kids, 2 on the screen, 1 Shreya. Shreya is Shreyanvi. Okay. Okay. 3 kids. So 2 on the screen, 1 here in the classroom can ask me questions. Check your teacher. Okay. And again tables. So Shreyanvi, okay, Shreyanvi and Ishan. Okay. Nihan, I think I had asked last class, right, Nihan? Okay. So only Shreyanvi and Ishan, and that's going to be a 2-minute exercise quickly. Gautam, everybody will get the chance next class, okay? Yeah, Ishan. Table till 16. Ask me.
16 times 9.
144.
15.
16 times 9, 144. Yeah.
14 times 7.
108.
13 times 5.
65. Okay. Okay, Ishan's quota is done. Let's go to Shanvi.
15 times 4.
60.
7, wait, no. 16 times 8.
128.
13 times 5.
65.
14 times 8.
14 times 8. 112.
Okay, that's all I have.
Yep. Alright, now, why did I even ask you guys to, okay, Nihit wants to ask. Yeah, sure, go ahead.
14 times 14.
14 times 14, up to 10, okay? Otherwise, I'll have to calculate.
9 times 9.
81. No, I'm saying 14 times up to 10. 14 times 10, 13 times 10, up to 10 you can go. If you say 13 times 12, I'll have to calculate. I mean, I can do it quickly, but I'm just saying for the sake of memorizing table. Okay.
12 times
12 times
10. 10.
10, 120.
8 times 7.
56.
6 times 5.
30.
8 times 8.
64.
9 times 7.
63. Alright, stop there. Stop there. So, again, I was not trying to flex. Okay? I was not trying to impress you guys and show that, oh, see how intelligent I am. No, I'm not intelligent. What I was trying to convey was that the way I'm answering your question, I would expect you guys to answer the questions same way, with accuracy, with speed, with perfection. Yeah, if you're able to do that, that is our desired state. Okay? So that is the purpose of this whole exercise. Now, is there anybody in the class who has not talked about tables? If Mandeep and Ishan, you have to put your hands down. Yaditi.
Are we testing the teacher?
Kids tested the teacher already, but not everybody. So basically I said no, 3 of the kids, okay? So because no, otherwise a lot of time will be gone just testing the teacher. Even if the teacher fails, that doesn't hurt. If you guys start failing, that's a problem, right? My studies are done. Yeah. So that's why we kept it short. Only 3 kids asking the questions. Next class, 3 different set of kids. Following class, 3 different set of kids. That's what we'll do. Now, let's move on. Yep. Yeah, Gautam, you're saying something? Amandeep? Okay, now let's go to what we are trying to learn, okay? Now, last class, Tasvik, Yog, Nihit, can I have your attention as well? Everybody on the screen, make sure that your video is on and you are paying attention to what is being done in the class. Okay? Now, last class we talked about operations. How do you play with operations? Does anybody have any problem dealing with what we learned in the previous class? Any questions? Any doubt?
No.
No? Okay. Solve it quickly. You guys have 2 minutes. 4 1 by 3 divided by 4 by 8. 4 1 by 3 divided by 4 by 8. In the meantime, I'll pick up a topic for you guys for today. Yeah. Yep, Gautam.
I got 8 and then I got 2/3.
Say that again.
My whole number is 8 and then I have a fraction of 2/3.
2/3. This is what the answer is?
No, there's like an 8 before it.
Okay. 8 2/3?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Aditi. Mandeep, you're saying something?
No.
Then when you're not talking, you have to be on mute, otherwise I get a different message. Yes. Shanvi.
The same answer that's up on the board.
Okay. Yep. How many did you get? Okay. Yep. 8 2/3. Okay. Let's see. Shreyans. Shreyans, I would want you also to try better. Okay? I have given a problem on the board to solve. 4 1/3 divided by 4 by 8. Yeah, Ishan.
I also got 8 2/3.
8 2/3. Can you show me? Can you flip your paper and show me how did you get that? I'm just trying to see how you guys are solving. Huh?
I don't have it.
You don't have it on a piece of paper?
Yeah.
How did you solve it then?
I tried calculating it in my head.
You cannot. You cannot. I can guarantee that.
I can see if there's any paper in my house.
Do it. Do it, Ishan. No math can be solved without using a pen and paper. Even if your teacher says that I'm super smart, I can do it without doing pen and paper. Question him. Aditi, yep.
My answer is 8 by 8 divided by 48.
8 divided by 48. And again, trust me, if Gautam gets a bad plan, okay, Gautam said 8 2 by 3. And if Gautam is is having a mischievous plan, whoever is copying him will all go wrong. Never rely anybody when it comes to math. Do it yourself. Yeah, yes, Ane.
I got 4 2/3.
4 2/3. Okay. See, this is called unity in diversity. Okay. Everybody is diverse. Yeah.
I got 36 by 3.
36 by 3. Okay, I'll come to that. Yeah, Tasvik.
I got 52 by 6.
52 by 6. See, 32 by 3. You got how much?
52 by 6.
52 by 6. See, how diverse we are. Yeah, Nihan.
Sir, can we do bathrooms?
Yeah.
So I have a question.
Uh-huh.
So do you have to say the answer in like the mixed way or the
Any which way. I mean, I don't mind. As long as the value doesn't change, I'm fine.
Okay. My answer is 8 and 4 6.
8 and 4 6. Okay, 8 2 by 3. Same thing. Yep. Okay. Vaishu, what is your answer, beta?
I got 2/3.
2/3. Okay. Mandeep, what did you get? Ishan, your hands down.
My answer is 5 by 16.
5 by 16. Okay. Everybody, yeah, Aradhya, what did you get?
I got 65 by 12.
65 by 12. Okay. Now I have heard enough answers and I have all the reasons for saying it one more time. I don't trust anybody when it comes to math, okay? Only for math. Otherwise, you guys are my kids, that's what I call it. So, I don't trust anybody, okay, when it comes to math. And I would want to emphasize that you also don't have to trust anybody, okay, even if he or she is your best friend. Because math is all about doing. Not everybody, pay attention to what I'm doing on the board. I'm not doing anything fancy or funky, okay? I'll do very simple stuff. Put your bags on the side, otherwise you're not going to see. Alright, so here, first of all, is this a fraction? No, this is a mixed number. This is a fraction. And I always say, fractions are my best friend. So I have to convert everything to a fraction first. This guy, mixed number, 4 1 by 3. Let's convert this. How does it go? Clockwise. 4 times 3 plus 1 divided by 3. So 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 13 by 3. It became 13 by 3. Okay? So this mixed number became this. I'm not rushing, okay? I'm doing step by step. Now, when I have division, I don't know how to do division. I only know multiplication. So I will do multiplication. 13 by 3 and multiply. I want to change this guy. When I changed division to multiplication, somebody got upset and started dancing or flipped. So this went up and this came down. It became 8 by 4. So what we have is this. 13 times 8 divided by 3 times 4. So let me take this guy here. So this becomes equal to 13 times 8 divided by 3 times 4. Now we are trying to find out opportunity for making it simple. So 13 times 8. 8 I can write as 4 times 2. And 3 remains 3. 4 I can leave as 4. Now I can do tic-tac-toe here. This 4 and this 4 gone. What do I have? 13 times 2 divided by 3. 13 times 2 is 26 divided by 3. So whoever got this answer is got the right answer. Also, some of you converted this to a mixed number. So this again you can revert. 3 times 8, 24. 8, 2 by 3. So Ishan, this time you had a narrow escape. You trusted Gautam and said 8, 2 by 3 and you were fine. Because Gautam did not have a bad plan. If Gautam would have played with his answer, if he would have said 6, 2 by 3, he would have gotten a 0 and you would have gotten a 0 too. So never trust any of your friends. Do it yourself. So whoever did not get 26 by 3 or 8, 2 by 3,
I did.
you have a problem. Show me the paper. Because the number that you told was different. No, so see again. I want you all to learn and be right always. Sit down. But then, that doesn't come for free. Meaning, if you have to learn something and you have to be right, that only comes with practice. Okay? You have to practice this. See, do you think that I have not solved this problem before? I would have solved this kind of problem at least 1,000 times, if not more. So, there is no harm in solving the problem again and again.
That same problem.
Same problem or similar problem. Okay? Now, so here, I'm not going to again talk about this one. Otherwise, you guys will get tired and say, okay, this teacher is wasting time. But I want to emphasize that whatever we have done so far, we have to practice those. We have to make sure that we revise things. I keep on uploading the video of the class also. That is for you guys only. If you don't watch the video, you don't practice the sums, what is the possible outcome? Things will go wrong. And you will get as diverse answer as I will get as diverse answers as we saw today. I got at least 10 different types of answers from you guys. And you all know who all went wrong. Okay? So, what I would say is practice. Practice is the only key that will make you perfect. Now, one last question for 2 more minutes and then we'll pick up the topic, okay? I'm still not getting the confidence. Everybody who is claiming that I learned, I understood, I still see gaps. Nate, are you with me in the class or you are with you having friendship? Next class, bring friendship band also with you and put it for each other. Raksha Bandhan is over, so only thing you can do is friendship band. Or wait till 14th February. On Valentine's Day, you can give gift to each other. Give friendship band or whatever band you can give. But okay, now a serious thing. If you guys don't pay attention, if you guys don't practice, there will be a problem. Okay? Now one last question. This time I expect less number of kids to go wrong. Okay? 4 by 8 multiplied by 3 by 6 divided by 2 by 9.
Then is this 4 by 8 times 3 by 6 times 2 by 9?
No, it's not times, it's division.
No, you change that division to multiplication and then the 2 by 9 change.
So do it on the piece of paper. You borrowed my marker also, right? Use it. You know brownie points for the drama that you do in the class, okay? Solve the math. Yeah, Mandeep.
I just understand the 2 by
2 by 9. 4 by 8 multiplied by 3 by 6 divided by 2 by 9.
Okay.
Everybody got the question, right? Yeah, Gautam. Okay. Yeah, Gautam, tell me. You have raised your hand.
Oh, my bad. I was talking on mute.
Okay.
118.
Say that again.
118.
118. 118. Okay. Now, Gautam, you might be right, you might be wrong, and there will be some friends of you who will get tempted to say same as Gautam. So depending on whether you are right or not, your friend's fate will also be decided. Yeah, Mandeep.
I did it on a piece of paper and I got the same answer as.
Can you turn on your video and show me that piece of paper? I mean, it's not about me not trusting you guys. I just want to see the way you are doing it, okay? That's my main purpose. Because I will not say that I will got same answer as Gautam. I will do it. I expect you guys to do the same thing. I practice what I preach. Yes, Ami.
I got 1 and 1/8 and I did 4/8 times 3/6 first and then I divided the answer that I got with 2 9s.
Yep.
And I got 1 and 1/8.
Wonderful. Now that see when Sammy is saying it that way, that shows the confidence. I want to see that confidence in each one of you. She said, okay, I first multiply these two and then I divide by this, and that is how I got it. That gives me more confidence. Okay? Yep.
Oh, my answer is 9 by 8.
9 by 8, okay? It's the same. 9 by 8 is same as this one. If you convert this quickly while I'm checking with other kids, convert this and compare with your value, okay? Convert this to a fraction. Tell me what it is. Yeah, Vaishu.
I also got 1 and 1/8, but
Okay.
I did a different way that she did. Cause first I multiplied 4/8 times 3/6,
Uh-huh.
and I simplified it,
Uh-huh.
and then I divided by 2 9s.
I
and then
love
I
that.
got 1 and 1.
I literally love that. What you said? You added more colors to it. You said I first multiplied it, then I simplified it, because math is about simplifying things. You simplified it and you made it a smaller number, and then you divide by this. Love that.
The answer is 1 by 8.
Okay. So with a piece of paper. You are becoming more naughty these days. I want to see it. Where is the answer? Okay. Alright. Yep, Mandeep.
I solved it again and now I got 9 by 8.
Okay. Yep. Yeah, Nihan.
I got 1 by 1 8 by I first multiplied 4 by 8 times 3 by 6 and then I divided by 2 by 9.
Okay. Yeah, so see, you guys will know yourself, right? When you tell that story to me, that how confident you are. Yug? This is not a park. Yeah, Aditi.
Answer is 38 divided by 9.
38 divided by 9. 38 divided by 9. Okay, we'll come to that. We'll check that. Okay. Yeah, Shanvi. And I think, do you want to show me the piece of paper where you are solving it? I just want to see how did you get this value. A little closer to the camera. Okay, fine. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Ishan. You have multiple choice question. You have got 4 answers from 4 different people. You can either pick one of those or you can tell me your answers.
I haven't been able to solve it yet because one of my friends knocked on my door. So I had to tell him that I was in class right now, so I couldn't play.
So solve it while we are checking with other kids, okay? Yes, Yanvi.
I got 2 answers and I don't know which to pick.
Okay.
So one answer is 3 by 6 and the other one is 3 by 24.
Okay, 3 by 6 and 3 by 24 are not the same value, they are different. So that means there is something wrong. What you can do is, while I'm waiting for other kids, you can just review what you did and it might tell you the clue where you might have gone wrong. You might want to check and correct it. While I'll check with other kids and then I'll do it myself, okay? Yeah, Nihit, where are we? Half done. Now, you, can you stop being, let me pick up the right sentence for you. Can you stop being an unwanted element of discussion where you're not needed? I'm talking to Nihit. Very straight. I don't need anybody else to poke their nose into it. Yeah, Nihit. Half done is not done. Okay? Do it quickly. Yep. Yes, Anvi.
I got 2 by 24.
2 by 24. Okay. That is different from the other answers that I've heard so far. That makes me disbelieve this whole group. You guys are giving me different answers. Okay, let's see what Shanvi says now.
I did it again and I got 9 by 8.
Yep. Okay. So, fine. So now, see, this is my dilemma always, and that has to be yours as well. You will see or hear a lot of options. You have to make an intelligent choice, and that intelligent choice is by doing it yourself. Okay? So here, you know that division and multiplication. Nihit, here. Now everybody here.
What time is it?
Doesn't matter. No, I'll not tell that. No, not a good question. When you talk about division and multiplication, Mandeep, you cannot interrupt me when I'm teaching something. Okay? You have adjusted your time for answering it. Let me complete, then I'll come back to you. Now, here, division and multiplication, we know that we can choose which one we want to do first, okay? So some of you said, okay, we'll first multiply this and then we'll divide. Okay, that's fine. So this becomes 4 times 3 divided by 8 times 6. You said I want to multiply it first, then I want to divide. Wonderful. 2 by 9. Now here, 8 you can write as 4 times 2. And 6 you can write as 3 times 2. I'm just breaking it down. This 3 and this 3 you can knock it off. This 4 and this 4 you can knock it off. and you can always have 1 here. So it became 1 by 4 divided by 2 by 9. When you have division like this, you don't want to do division. You always want to change it to multiplication. And you multiply, somebody gets upset, placed upside down. Now it becomes 1 into 9 is 9 divided by 4 times 2 8. And you cannot do tic-tac-toe. There's no way to break it down further. So that is how the answer is 9 by 8. If you want to convert, see this, since your numerator is bigger than this, you can convert this to a mixed number if you want to. It becomes this. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 1 9 by 8. Same. Yep. Yes, Sammy.
So is 1/4 the simplified version or?
1/4 is the simplified version.
Okay.
If you see this, right? 4 by 8 into 3 by 6. So it becomes 4 times 3 divided by 8 times 6. Now 4 times 3, 8 I can write as 4 times 2 and 6 I can write as 3 times 2. Now I can do tic-tac-toe. This 3 gone, this 4 gone. So I have 2 here and 2 here. So it becomes 1 by 2 into 2, 4. Yep. So that's what I think, that's what Vaishu was saying, if I'm not wrong. Yep. So Aditi, you saw this? Were you able to see what I did?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again, my request to you all would be, we don't learn anything difficult. Even if we learn something difficult, our goal is to make it simple. Okay? Here, it's simple multiplication division, right? Multiplication is all about tables that you guys have mastered by now. And I'm very proud to say that most of you in this class know table till 12, 13 and 14, right? Except some of the new kids who are still catching up. But still, most of you know tables till 12, 13, 14. And I take pride in saying that not even kids in 12th grade know table till 12, okay? When
In what grade?
till 12th grade. Catch hold of any 12th grader if you can and ask him or her the table of 12 and let's see how confident they are.
I already had a school mentor in school.
Check. Okay?
I checked.
Yeah. So net that what I'm saying is, if you memorize the tables, this becomes a cakewalk. Whatever we will solve, we'll solve it with the attempt to make it simple. Okay? Don't make it complicated. Always look at finding ways to make things simpler, smaller, and then use that for solving problems. Yeah? Everybody with me? Whatever I have done, I would not want to do again. I would want to move on. Okay? So let me see. I see it seems like some new kids have joined. No? Okay, that's good. Yeah, I mean, so somebody was checking how much time do we have. We still have 10 more minutes. Okay? 10 minutes. We have not learned anything new. Why? Because I saw you guys making mistake with what we learned yesterday. It's just not about learning everything and knowing nothing.
Yesterday.
Last class. So our focus is not on learning everything and then forgetting everything. It's about learning something and retaining, keeping it with you, becoming master of what you have learned. That is the goal. Do you guys agree or don't? Agree?
Agree.
Okay. So that would be our approach. That would be our plan. And make sure that whatever we learn, okay, so yeah, okay, good. So I got 5 votes. I can stand in the election for president next time. I'll have 5 votes. I'm kidding. Alright. So what I was saying was, every day when we learn something, we have to find out ways to retain or make it part of our knowledge or understanding. Okay? Don't rush to learn so many things and then scramble to figure out what did we learn and what we remember. Okay? Now, let's learn one thing quickly, that is called ratios. Nihit, can you put that down, please? You did not solve any of the problem that I gave in the class. Yeah? And trying to play, not good idea. Okay? I'm happy that you did a good job with the tables. I want to apply that knowledge also, solving problems. Okay? Alright. Now, what do you know about ratios? We will learn ratio and percentage, okay, in next few classes, and we'll practice them enough. What do you know about ratios? Oh, I got a new student in the class with Mandeep. Okay. Yep, Sami.
I know that ratios are used in a lot of places in your house in daily life and stuff.
Uh-huh.
I learned them, but then I forgot them.
Okay. Ishan, I can read all your lines on the hand, okay? And I'll probably start telling you, okay, your lifeline looks good, your fate line looks awesome. Don't do that. Don't play with it, okay? Yeah, Aditi.
Radius means equal.
Ratio.
Ratios equal.
Ratio means equal. Probably we'll have to redefine that in a different way. Again, when I ask you guys question, what you have to assume is your teacher is a toddler. He doesn't know anything, and you have to explain him. That's how you have to treat me, and that's when you will do your best. Okay, yeah, Gautam. Now assume your teacher is a second grader, and you have to explain him what is the ratio.
I have a question.
Yep.
Rational numbers.
No, I'm saying ratio. Rational. I'm not going to rational number yet.
Oh, I was just asking if there was anything similar to that.
Yes and no.
What does yes and no mean?
Yes and no means we can certainly relate, but that is not the absolute definition. That's not the exact thing. I would not say that rational number and ratios are totally opposite. I will not say that. But what I'm saying is there's a very thin line between these two. You can relate these concepts. Yeah. Go ahead. Okay, Ishan, please. Ishan, your fingers down. It seems like you are playing a game on a parallel screen. Don't do that. So, I want to see your finger only when you are trying to unmute yourself or mute yourself. If I keep seeing your finger every 2 seconds, that means there is something that you are doing which you are not supposed to. Okay. Now, ratio. Ratio is nothing but a relationship between two numbers. Now, you look at this. If I say this, 2 and 3, they are standalone numbers. If I write this as 2 by 3, I am putting them together. If I say 3 by 9, I am putting two numbers together to form a relationship. Yeah? It's like two numbers getting married to call it a family. Yeah? I know it's a bad example, but still. Ratio is nothing but value of one number in relation to other number. Now if you look at 1 by 2, value of 1 with other number. Okay? So when you are comparing two numbers, and seeing their value against each other, that is when you deal with ratio. And ratio becomes your backbone of lot of calculation to be able to apply that every now and then. Just to give you guys an example, this is just ratio. You will learn about something called proportion. You will learn something about percentage. You will learn something about interest. You will learn something about compound interest. You will learn something about decimals. Even decimals. Everything is related to ratio. So if you understand the ratio, everything else falls in place. So next class we are going to learn percentage. Now look at this. 1 by 2. If I am calling this a ratio, 1:2 or 1 by 2, 1 divided by 2, whatever you want to call it. Everything together is called ratio. It's a relationship between these two numbers where one number is divided by the other number in the bottom. This one is called numerator, this is called denominator. You also call this a rational number, right?
It's a rational
That
number.
is a fraction or a fraction. So everything is coming together, okay? If you know the ratio, if you know how to deal with ratio, everything else that you will come across, it will be easy to relate and use. So with that being said, I'll stop. We have not learned anything new apart from just touching the basic concept of ratio, but it was very important for us to revise what we had learned before and where we were going wrong, and we should keep this information with us that anything that we learn remains with us if we do practice. Right? What is the advantage of buying clothes? If you buy it and then you wear it again and again, that is when you enjoy it, right? Same way, you learn something which is like buying clothes. You practice it again and again, that is like using your clothes over and over again. If I buy this jacket and never wear it, what is the point of buying it even? Yeah?
It was just feel like for sure.
It's a bad example, but something that you can relate to. I will let you guys go, have fun, and looking forward to meeting you guys tomorrow again. Same time.